Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to add a navigation menu to your WordPress website. If you are new to WordPress, setting up a menu might seem confusing at first. Pages are not automatically linked, so you need to create the navigation structure yourself. I will guide you through each step so that by the end of this video, you will have a fully functional navigation menu on your site. First, log into your WordPress dashboard using your credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will see a vertical menu with various options. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Appearance and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From these options, select Menus to navigate to the menu settings page. This section allows you to create, edit, and manage navigation menus for your website, helping to improve user experience and site organization effectively. If you already have an existing menu, you will see its structure displayed on your screen. However, if you want to start fresh, you can delete the current menu and create a new one from scratch. I will guide you through the process of setting up a brand new menu. First, click on Create a new menu to begin. Next, you need to assign a name to your menu. This name will help you identify it later, especially if you plan to create multiple menus. For this example, I will name my menu Main Menu. Once you have named your menu, look below at the Menu Settings section. Here, you will see various placement options for your menu depending on your theme. These options determine where your menu will appear on your website. Since I want this menu to serve as my primary navigation menu, I will select the primary menu option. After making your selection, click on the Create Menu button to finalize the process. Now, you have successfully created a new menu, and you can start adding menu items such as pages, posts, categories, or custom links to customize your website's navigation. Now, it is time to add items to your menu. On the left side of your screen, you will find a list of available pages on your website. Additionally, there are options to add posts, categories, and custom links. To add pages to your menu, navigate to the Pages section, click on View All, and select the pages you want to include. Once selected, click Add to Menu, and these pages will instantly appear in the menu structure on the right side of the screen. From here, you can organize your menu by dragging and dropping items to rearrange them in your preferred order. You can also create submenus by placing one item slightly under another. If you want to add custom links, navigate to the Custom Links section, enter the URL and link text, and click Add to Menu. After finalizing your menu structure, click Save Menu to apply the changes. Next, you can arrange the menu items by dragging them into the desired order. This allows you to customize the navigation of your website based on your preferences. For example, if you want your homepage to be the first item in the menu, simply click and drag it to the top of the list. After that, you might want the store page to come next, followed by the products page. You can easily rearrange the order by dragging each item into place. Additionally, you can create a drop-down menu by nesting pages under a main category. To do this, drag a page slightly to the right beneath another page, and it will automatically be set as a sub-item. For instance, if you want the products page to be a sub-item under the store page, move the products page slightly to the right underneath the store page. This will create a drop-down menu, making it easier for visitors to navigate your site. Using this drag and drop feature, you can organize your menu structure efficiently, ensuring a seamless and user-friendly browsing experience for your audience. You can create multiple levels of drop-downs by repeating this process, allowing for a more organized and user-friendly navigation menu. If you ever want to remove a sub-item and make it a main menu item again, simply drag it back to the left. This gives you flexibility in arranging your menu structure. For example, if you want to add the cart and checkout pages under the My Account section, start by placing My Account as a main menu item. Then, drag both cart and checkout slightly to the right so they become sub-items. This hierarchy ensures that visitors can easily access important pages without cluttering the main menu. Organizing your menu with drop-downs improves user experience, making navigation intuitive and seamless. A well-structured menu helps users find what they need quickly, reducing frustration and improving engagement. Thoughtful categorization can also enhance the overall design and professionalism of your website. After arranging your menu items in the desired order, click the Save Menu button. This action ensures that your menu structure is stored, but there is still one more step to complete. At the top of the page, locate and click on the Manage Locations tab. This section allows you to assign your newly created menu to a specific location on your website. You will see various location options, such as primary menu, secondary menu, and handheld menu, depending on your theme's settings. Since I want this menu to serve as the main navigation for my website, I will assign it to the primary menu location. To do this, simply select the primary menu option from the list. Once you have made your selection, click the Save Changes button to apply the new settings. Your menu is now successfully assigned, ensuring that visitors see it in the correct location. If you're using WooCommerce or other plugins, you may have additional options to customize your website's menu, such as product categories, custom links, and tags. These elements allow you to organize your store more effectively, making navigation easier for customers. To add them to your menu, navigate to the menu settings, locate the options on the left side, and select the categories, links, or tags you want to include. Once selected, click Add to Menu to incorporate them into your menu structure. You can then rearrange them as needed to create a user-friendly and well-organized navigation system. Once everything is set up, refresh your website and take a moment to review the new navigation menu at the top. You should now see all the pages, links, and drop-down menus displayed exactly as you arranged them. Ensure that each section is correctly positioned and functions smoothly. Test the links to confirm they direct users to the right pages. Your updated navigation menu should now provide a seamless browsing experience for visitors. To customize your menu's appearance, navigate to Appearance in your WordPress dashboard and click on Customize. In the Customization panel, locate the Menus option. Here, you can modify various aspects, such as the background color, text color, font style, and overall layout to match your site's design. Additionally, you can rearrange menu items, add drop-downs, and enable or disable certain menu elements. If you want to enhance the mobile experience, adjust the handheld menu settings to improve responsiveness and usability. Preview your changes in real time before saving to ensure the menu looks and functions exactly as you want. That's it. Now you know how to create and customize a navigation menu in WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.